Hi everyone. Today we are going to study about subtraction of integers. In the previous two sessions we have studied about the addition of integers. Now we are going to move on to the subtraction of integers. So first of all, for the subtraction of integers, integers already I told it can be positive integers or negative integers. So first we can see the subtraction of two positive integers. So, two positive integers. Now, let's take two positive integers. Let it be 5 and 3. So, subtracting 5 minus 3, that is subtracting 3 from the number 5. It is easy because we are going to subtract the lesser number from the greater number. So, the answer will be just, I think all of you will be knowing that is just 5 minus 3. Simple, the answer will be 2. There is no complication. Now, if you are subtracting a greater number from a lesser number, a greater positive number from a lesser positive number. For example, just reverse this number. That is 3 minus 5. So here these two are positive integers, positive 3 and positive 5, and you are going to subtract 5 from 3. That is 3 minus 5. Now for this it will be difficult. And for that we can study in the subtraction of integers. What you have to do is just you can reverse the operation. You can reverse the operation. That means instead of subtraction you can do addition. But you have to reverse the sign of the second number. Simply I will tell how is it possible. That is, here we have to do 3 minus 5. And already we have studied addition operation. So we are converting this subtraction operation to the addition operation just by reversing the sign of the second number. So 3 minus 5. Instead of 3 minus, I am going to change this subtraction to addition, that is 3 plus. Now here the minus is converted to plus. So for that what you have to do is we have to reverse the sign of the second number. The second number is plus 5. Now it will be minus 5. So we are going to add 3 plus minus 5. So this is the operation. Now this is addition operation of integers. Addition operation of integers already we have studied. If we are adding two integers of opposite sign, what you have to do is you have to subtract the lesser number from the greater number without the sign. Neglect the sign of both number and subtract the lesser number from the greater number. So 5 minus 3 you have to do. You will get the answer 2, and in the answer you have to put the sign of the greater number. If the greater number is 5 and its sign is negative, so the answer will be negative. So altogether the operation is 3 minus 5. The answer will be negative 2. So this is how you have to do the subtraction of any two integers. Here we have got two positive integers, and instead of subtraction what you have to do is you have to convert that into addition just by reversing the sign of the second number. And you can understand it well by using other examples also. I will tell another example. Let us consider a positive integer itself. Okay, so let it be 6 and let it be 10, and you are going to subtract 6 minus 10. So instead of subtraction, here you are going to do addition. So 6 plus, and instead of positive 10 we will get negative 10. Now this is addition operation. So in the addition operation, just neglect the sign of both integer and subtract the lesser number from the greater number. So 10 minus 6 you have to do. The answer will be 4, and you have to put the sign of the bigger number. Here 6 and 10, the bigger number is 10 and the sign of the bigger number is negative. So the answer will be negative. So 6 minus 10, the answer will be negative 4. Now we can see two negative integers. Okay, two negative integers. Subtraction of two negative integers. Let the two negative integers are negative 3 and negative 4. And let you are going to subtract negative 3 minus negative 4. So here also we can do the same thing. We can convert the subtraction to addition. So negative 3 instead of subtraction, I am going to do addition, and you have to reverse the sign of the second number. Here second number is negative 4. So I am going to change into positive 4. Now we got this as addition. So adding two integers. Adding two integers of opposite sign, what you have to do is neglect the sign of both number, subtract the lesser number from the greater number. So 4 minus 3 you have to do. Answer will be 1, and you have to put the sign of the bigger number. 3 and 4, the bigger number is 4, and the sign of the bigger number is positive. So the answer will be positive 1. So negative 3 minus negative 4. The answer will be positive 1. This is how you are subtracting two negative integers. One more example for two negative integers I will show. Let the two negative integers are, let us take the first number as negative 7, the second number as negative 2. And I am going to subtract negative 7 minus negative 2. So we can change this to negative 7. The subtraction we will do it as addition. Change the sign of the second number. Negative 2 it will change to positive 2. So negative 7 plus 2. This is addition of two integers. So neglect the sign of both integer. Subtract the lesser number from the greater number. So 7 minus 2 you have to do. It will be 5. And put the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 7 and its sign is negative. So the answer will be negative. So this is how you subtract two negative integers. Now we can move on to two integers of opposite sign. The subtraction of two integers of opposite sign. Two integers of opposite sign, it is also the method is same. What I told in the previous case. For example, consider number 3 and negative 4. Here you can see one is positive integer and another is negative integer. And I am going to subtract 3 minus negative 4. So here instead of subtraction it will become addition, and reverse the sign of the second number. Negative 4 it will become positive 4. So 3 plus 4, the answer will be 7. So this is how you subtract two integers of opposite sign. Now I will take the first number as a negative number. Okay, I will show another example. Let us consider the first number as negative 6 and second number as positive 3. And I am going to subtract negative 6 minus positive 3. So instead of subtraction, we are going to change into addition. So negative 6 minus will become plus, and the sign of the second number, it is actually positive. Now we are going to change it as negative. So negative 6 plus negative 3. It will become negative 6 plus negative 3. So here you can see this is addition of two integers of same sign. Here negative 6 and negative 3 both are negative integers, and you are going to add two negative integers. And when you are getting two integers of same sign and you want to add, just neglect the sign, add the number and put the sign of the both the numbers. Okay, so here 6 plus 3 you have to add, it will be 9, and since both numbers are negative, the answer will be negative. So negative 6 plus negative 3, it will be negative 9. Actually negative 6 minus 3, it is the operation you have to do. You are converting it to addition. Change the sign of the second number and put, now it is addition of two negative integers, and now you can add the integers without the sign and put the sign of the integers. Because both are negative, so the answer will be negative. So this is how you are subtracting integers. So we have studied all the possible cases, the subtraction of two negative integers, subtraction of two positive integers, and subtraction of two integers of opposite sign. So hope all of you understood this, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask, feel free to type in the comment section. Okay, thank you, bye.